Please don't forget to subscribe for more of this video. Push the like button, and thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel.
How to have fun cruising. Let's go check it out.
Let's go and check it out.
All right. Welcome to How to Have Fun Cruising. That's right, we've got another great video for you from your cruise channel, How to Have Fun Cruising. Today it's all about the Carnival Pride, the balcony suite off the back of the ship. This is a really unique suite. You're going to love it. We had a great time on Carnival Pride over in Europe, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. It would mean so much to us. It would help us grow the channel and get out these videos to everyone else and allow us to bring more great destinations and cruise ships to you. So for sure, we've got a great one today. We were over, that's right, in Italy and Greece and Turkey, and we had a fantastic time. But this video is all about showing you this balcony suite off the back of Carnival Pride, and boy oh boy is it a really cool room, and we really enjoyed it. If you're not familiar with our channel, we've got all kinds of great videos. How about we survived the Bermuda Triangle? That's right, 27-foot waves. You're going to definitely want to check that out. We do all kinds of shore excursions. We do other best balcony room type videos, shore locations like Bermuda and Iceland and all these other places, and other balcony room tours like the Allure of the Seas. But let's get started right now with Carnival Pride and Allure.
It's so easy. You come up, you already did your muster station, no more to think about it, and the keys are waiting for you at the door.
All right,
We are
let's
done.
do it.
That's the process. It's gonna be awesome.
Let's go. All right, big hallway all lit up.
Yes.
And let's start right here with the bathroom, huh? What do we got?
Absolutely. So the first thing that I love about this suite is the great hallway. And right in front of you is very spacious. There is a nice door for the bathroom.
Yeah, tons of room here.
The bathroom is really nice, light up with a big mirror to sink. So me and Tommy T, we are not gonna fight this time. And the toilet is here. You can imagine how much space you have in front of you.
Tons of space. This is a huge bathroom on this balcony suite. Huge
Absolutely.
bathroom.
And we have great cabinets, great holders for all your makeup and anything you need to have with you. I love the lighting because it's very bright. And of course, the shower has a lot of space because it's also a bathtub.
All right, you got to do the shower test for everyone, but this one I think is, yeah.
Woo!
Look at that, folks. Lots of room and a full bathtub. So you can come in here and relax in your tub. That is awesome.
Absolutely.
Very nice. Lots of space in here, as you can see.
I'm very well organized.
Wow, super, super cool. Got your trash down below, and then obviously all of the normal stuff with your mirror and everything else. So very cool. Let's check out the rest of this, front balcony suites. This is so cool. Tell everybody about where we're going on this cruise.
Well, we are doing all the Mediterranean, in particular Greece, Italy, and Turkey. So it's gonna be a lot of history, a lot of great places, and I'm super excited.
All right, let's check out the rest of this right here. Look at the size of this closet. It's monstrous.
Absolutely. The closet is really spacious, really nice to open, and with nice lighting there on
Lights,
top.
yeah.
Yep. Here you have all the different shelves for all your clothes. And on the other side over here, instead, you have a lot of space for holders and
all your hangers and also the robes. Really cool.
Absolutely.
All right.
Clean robes.
And this is kind of special for you, Alice. I mean, you grew up in Italy, north of Milan by Lake Como, and we're departing out of the Rome port here. So it's just like being at home.
Almost like being home. And here you can see the room is extremely
huge
spacious.
Room, yeah.
So we cannot fight for space here. The desk is fantastic.
Wow.
I love that in this room they use a lot of mirrors. I'm a fan of mirrors. Here you have this nice big one in front of your desk with a great space and a lot of different drawers with obviously the air dryer and all the rest of the drawers here. great seat, and you're also close to the windows, so you don't have only the light off the desk, but also the light from the windows.
Okay, let's do the famous Alice bed test.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa, okay, how's it feel?
It feels like I'm taking a nap now.
All right, let's check out the rest of the room.
Very good.
Mirrors all the way across the back of the bed too.
Exactly.
Like you said, it just makes the room that much more spacious, right?
Absolutely, and bright.
Yeah.
Before we move in the back of the room, obviously here there is a great space for the refrigerator. The refrigerator
Nice.
looks nice.
Perfect. All right.
And they gave
your
us a
ice
lot of
holder.
water, so it's very nice.
Yeah.
Ice holder, nice drawers for each side of the bed. And in addition, what I like is that you are added two USB key right on the lamp, so you can connect anything you want, and you have a lot of space where to hold your glass or phone or a book if you're reading.
Yeah.
Then over here,
Very cool.
we have a very nice, the same setup obviously for the other side. A nice sofa with the TV that is in a corner, so you can watch from the sofa or from the bed. Nice desk in case you want to do your homework here. And in front of that, I love that
A
there
full
is
dresser.
a
Look at
nice
that. How
dresser.
many suites have we seen with a full dresser
I
like
know,
that?
there is so much space in this
Yeah.
room. And the second, but not less important, a nice
Safe, yeah.
safe, yeah.
Very nice. And look at all the drawers to put away your stuff nicely.
Yeah.
TV in the corner, more windows.
Yep. So first impression on my side, I love it. This room has
Yeah.
so much
Open
windows.
that up. They show everybody all these open up.
Okay.
So now you've
Really
got
nice
windows,
A lot
windows,
of light,
more
right
windows,
there.
and
What I will love in the morning is to wake up and have my Mediterranean Sea right in front of me.
and get that free complimentary continental breakfast room service on Carnival they offer. So.
Yeah. And then,
All right,
let's
and
go
you guys
inside.
ready? This is why we wanted this room,
I
especially
know.
with going to the Mediterranean. We wanted to have a big, big balcony.
I
And
never
wait-
had something like this. Not only is a big deck, but it's so long that you have space for sun. You're gonna have the sun almost all day long.
Yeah, this balcony is monster. I thought we had the monster one on the Norwegian Pearl.
No.
I think we outdid it on this one, folks.
Absolutely. I love that it's shorter, so you can see the ocean in front of you from the bedroom. But in addition, it's so spacious that you can actually lay down.
And look, it comes all the way around to this side. This thing is colossal. So you can get a nice side view of the ship, which is amazing. And as you can see, you can come all the way around and you've got this whole front. Wow, what an amazing balcony Carnival has delivered on this design.
Absolutely.
Pretty
It's
awesome.
Fantastic.
Wow. All right, are you ready to go check out the rest of the ship? And by the way, take a look at this. Nice table for two, or you can just lay out here with the recliner. So many times you're fighting over one little chair and one little recliner. Here we've got all four chairs.
Yep.
Really, really nice. All right, are you ready to go check out the rest of this ship, Alice?
Absolutely. Let's go. I'm
Let's-
excited.
Let's do it.
Overall, we had a great time. Definitely hit that like button. We would really appreciate it. The European cruise was definitely a lot of fun. We really enjoyed the Carnival Pride. Going to Greece and Turkey and Italy was a lot of fun. So we highly recommend it. We hope you loved this video. And thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Cruising!